I'm like, oh no. And like, that's why I lost. And then game 3, I just bought Mike's controller. Like, oh my god, I'm so mad. It's fine, just play it.
Yeah. Like, when I say get that thing, I mean like buy it.
Yeah, perhaps.
You know, still use the same stuff when I can tell and stuff, but like, okay.
Yeah.
Wow, I read Google's last message very incorrect. I was like, what the fuck does that mean? I'm like, damn. For real?
Somebody come get him.
I'm like, we're like, what? It's just okay. That's kind of fucked up. IMO. Why is the mic on like a constant volume right there?
Oh my god. Is the mic fucked? No, that's
Oh, never
player.
mind. That's the player cam.
That might have been why it was fucking.
Why was the player cam on constant volume?
It has a speaker on it. Apparently.
Actually, no. You got like, you know about webcam microphones. That's just your ass.
That's so ass. I'm like, I don't know what y'all were hearing.
Then you're like,
No, you heard that background noise because of the. Dude, that move hurts so much. Okay, every Yoshi I've ever played, when they take the first stock off you, they immediately get the down air. Like, let me take a third of your stock for that extra credit.
Alright, down air time.
Extra credit machine time.
Rising down air too, so I'm like definitely put some time for it.
Shulk versus Fox. I was looking at Wolf the whole time and I'm like, what's that other furry guy's name?
Cheeky redemption bracket.
Unbiased Western Wolf player.
Okay, Joe, you get to play again?
Yeah.
Okay, Joe Shine backfire.
Yeah, unbiased Western Wolf player. Very unbiasedly. Western Wolf player.
It's your boy.
Wolf can do that.
Literally.
I should probably play Star Fox game at some point.
They're fun.
Wolf is really the only character that I play currently where I've never played any of their games.
Huh.
And all the other characters, I actively like their games. Okay, hold on.
Hold on, Mario. Super Mario RPG.
Mario's kind of like crazy that game.
I won to I won on Mega Man.
Two. Here we go.
Pikachu game 1, Kirby game 2.
See, I'm throwing.
Yeah! Also, character development.
You get to play again? Light. You get to play again? Yeah, you get to play again. Okay, you'll play Gavin.
Okay, that's more Battlefield. Not sure what the bans were, but, you know, kind of wanted to deprive Yoshi of, like, the higher platforms for better kills and stuff. Able to get a much stronger start than the beginning of the last game. Are you attacking on 66 to on-answered right now? They're just kind of playing very patient, just kind of dancing around each other. Neither people wants to like approach that much, which is like, you know, fair. Yoshi is Yoshi, Wolf is Wolf. when Yana gets her opening, she's like been able to make the most of it so far. Early Mario's had a few openings, but he's not been able to like convert off of it very well. So you know, just you know, a decent lead, but not impossible by any means. Oh yeah, Yana's like camping. Let's go, Yana. The egg roll, maybe it's limitations? Probably hit the distance, although all things considered.
What's your girlfriend? No bias.
I said Uncle Wolf way. No
I didn't play a different character here. I remember.
Pyramithra?
Not Pyramithra.
Hero?
Now,
Mike, did you play game 1? And do you want to be a redemption back?
oh, Isabel.
Isabel. Alright, and that was 2-0? Okay.
Okay. Nana developed a decent lead this game, much better than like I
Yeah.
last game.
Propaganda Isaiah on an open setup.
Marla slot fighter, definitely. Still a confident lead, but anything could happen.
Yeah, that's true for both these characters.
Yeah.
The lead? But let's go girlfriend, no bias. No bias.
I love Wolf McCloud Epic. Wolf McCloud Gaming. That's his new name.
Wolf McLeod.
Wolf McCloud Gaming.
Oh, did he marry Fox and take his last name?
Yeah.
He wouldn't do that. He would definitely make Fox change his last name, 100%. There's like not even a question. Plus, that's kind of weird, actually, because he was rivals with Fox's dad, which would mean he's like
Yeah,
as
right.
old as Fox's dad.
No, yeah, that's the thing, because like, he certainly doesn't look like it.
He's a wolf.
Well, I mean,
what is an
he
old?
was older.
What does an old wolf look
I mean, what if James was older?
like?
He just kind of looks like he's like still in his 20s. Black no crack, I guess. Maybe he's the actual black race in this game.
Maybe.
Weak Nair, low percent, negative on hit. Make sure you punish all of your wolf players for doing that.
Shush. I mean, yes, though. I know maybe 2 players that actually do that.
Oh yeah, I like hit them out of that.
But Yoshi's jab is toxic.
Okay, dang, pretty even though.
Yeah.
Jesus. Yeah, that was like a decent lead. Just kind of like Mario constantly, coming back. Yana not playing the same game that Yana was playing at the beginning, but it's a decent game that's
Ooh,
more or less.
good on the. See, Yoshi really likes to check you with the mash check, where he'll do something on your shield and then do another tilt immediately or a jab, just to catch you trying to. Like, who do you think you're out of shielding? That move's like -3 or some shit.
Ooh, that was wicked. Oh, jeez.
She's so good at tomahawking. Oh no.
Ooh.
I respect the shield hold. I didn't know which way he was going either.
Ooh. Yeah, this isn't a. Ooh, wow. Really good wolf shot.
Wow.
This isn't the same game plan that was like working at the beginning of the game, but it's the game plan that's starting to feel more comfortable. I guess starting to be the aggressor now, ready to play some video games.
A little bit bounce attack. Mario definitely starting to. Ooh, that'll be the game 2 going to Yana.
Yana's S-Smash is kind of going crazy. Like,
When she F smashes, when she F smashes you, you're getting hit because like she just knows. I don't know why she just has a 6th sense for fucking F smashing.
those S-Smash should be making you look foolish, bro.
They're foolish.
I like during our last set, she like threw out like I don't know 4 or something, and I got hit by 1. But like that one was
The
like,
one, yeah, exactly. No, she'll check you a couple times and then she'll just do it. Joker probably the whole way through.
Yeah.
Joker from Curse Owner.
I have follow experience.
Redemption. Redemption.
Ooh, I think I saw a potential Cloud Fire trick, but ended up going back to Wolf there.
Titus. I don't know where Rosie went. She thinks I'm mad.
Oh, forgot about the landing hitboxes there, so like try to whip that shit, couldn't do it. I'm telling you, people just shield after loop there. So they get to do like their regular nair combos, which you shouldn't be letting them do. That being said, if you were to continue to let us do that, I would not lie.
Wait,
Oh wow. Honestly, just keeping the juggle up. Not really letting him land until just now.
Yoshi can be hard to juggle too, like with his airspeed and his armor double jump.
Yeah, those are just like consistent up airs. Just like really good up airs from under.
I felt her wanting to wolf flash. If his feet left the ground, he was getting wolf flash there. Like, did you see her kind of like?
Yeah.
Whenever he,
Oh,
and, like,
that was a grab.
I'm way too.
Up being on stage.
I'm way too familiar with the wolf matchup that like I know the exact range of wolf matches. And like when I see a wolf twitch at that range, I'm like.
I like mostly don't know that anymore. When I play Wolf, the amount of times I like SD with Wolf Flash nowadays after just stop practicing Wolf is insane.
See, I'm very familiar with it because based on the sheer amount of times I've been hit by it.
I'm also not a person who uses Wolf Flash in the
That is fair.
Yup, there you go. Can't do like fair with it either.
Well, Yoshi was just fast enough to dodge that.
They haven't cost me anything
I
so far,
like
but
respecting.
that's not true, but it's like a good mix that they don't do.
I've never seen that.
Oh yeah. A lot of people like will do like down throw dash attack, grab, and then like whatever.
I got tilted looking at that.
It's like not real, but if they don't know
Yeah.
it's a thing and they don't do anything,
Or it's like a hard
it
mix-up.
becomes real.
Yeah.
The amount of times I like try to do that directly, but he just keeps on jumping out of shit makes me furious.
Yeah. Dude, the amount of times Rookie would just jump out of it, I just started raw jump up being him. Like on God. Well, I mean, whenever I play Link.
Like a lot of their bears I hit on him were not real. Because like that was before I like started practicing the timing. They were not real. They just trying to jump out of it. That's my secret for the bear. Ooh, the roll.
I honestly thought that was going to be a back.
Ooh, watch out. Oh, flash on stage. Wasn't expecting it though. That was good. Okay. I probably would've killed him.
The faith in her shield.
That down smash.
That's gonna be.
Oh, I did not realize that. I did not realize that was up a song.
Yeah. No, she's playing comfy, but they can't get too comfy because Yoshi can't just randomly, do this.
Yoshi advantage.
50. Yoshi advantage.
You and Yoshi advantage.
Yoshi tilts. I love that she like just stays very patient whenever he does like something on her shield. He doesn't like I got the lead. I don't have to swing at you. Yeah, she after that game when she's like, nah, I'm playing patient, I got the lead. You gotta hit me with 100% or kill me.
I guess it's like still patient, just like more confrontation. As opposed to like the laser camping, I was straight up not interacting unless he was just getting a gated to me. That's a lot of
no.
pride.
Oh, I thought he got beat for real.
Alright, Loki did, but I was like, nah, Yoshi didn't make that.
Why does up tilt hit that platform?
Why should it not?
I need to get. I know I saw a clip. There's like this one stream. I don't even know what region it is, but they have like a thing where they can pause the screen and take the NFL drawing on the screen.
Oh, okay.
Good spot dodge. I have the bravery because I'm pretty sure that would have killed. Oh no!
That was almost bad guy. I think it might have been bad guy.
Could be reverse, just to create that pressure. It'd be like, get off me.
Ooh, I really like the mirror verse laser hitting the.
Yeah, hitting the bayonet, getting that full 17 damage off of it.
I really love doing mirror verse laser into somebody's face. Getting the bayonet hit, they're not expecting it. Ooh, parry on the back here, the sweet spot back here.
You already know who it is. This is your boy.
Yoshi a bit of danger on town side. Okay, not anymore though. Donna's the one danger right here.
Ooh, the spot dodge war.
Keeps on
Good
challenging
grab.
there. Keeps on telling him that position a bit scary to like do. This guy just kind of like retreating or something.
I just realized Yana's bracket so far has only been Yoshi. She had to play backfire.
That's really cool. Ooh, the down air read on their mash. Now they're even. Okay. Oh, not literally because of town, pretty much.
Oh no! Oh no!
It's not going for it all right here. Yeah, that would be eventually kind of going for it.
Oh no!